Cash App Bitcoin verification. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to discuss some of the ways we can verify Bitcoin on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you've been trying to do a Bitcoin verification on Cash App, the very first thing you have to understand is that you don't verify Bitcoin. What you do is you verify your Cash App account, which will make you enable the Bitcoin transactions. So you can just come to the home tab from the bottom of the screen here. Once you are on the home page, you'll find the Bitcoin tab from the top, so you can basically tap the Bitcoin option there, and over here you'll find the option called buy Bitcoin. So basically whenever you're trying to maybe buy a Bitcoin, it will give you a little pop-up that will ask you to actually enter the phone number, and if you have verified a phone number, it will ask you to enter your legal name and your date of birth. So once you have entered that, you will be able to fill in your details to try to verify Bitcoin addresses, and once done, your Bitcoin verification will get successfully complete. Bottom line is you have to verify your Cash App account and not Bitcoin. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.